Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Similar to making an ace, the more proficient you are at bowling, the better your chance of a 300 game. The odds for a PBA bowler rolling a 300 are 460 to 1, while it's 11,500 to 1 for the average bowler.
Let's help you make your mark.
292. The rarest score in bowling is without a doubt 292. It is extremely difficult to pick off exactly 2 pins on your first ball, and to do it after reeling off 11 strikes in a row is next to impossible.
Let's help you make your mark.
Michelle Feldman of the Professional Women's Bowling Association, PWBA, became the first female to score a 300 on American national television, when she accomplished the feat in a 1997 Prime Sports broadcast.
Let's help you make your mark.
Pros can read the conditions, but there is still a lot more luck that comes into getting a hole-in-one in golf than a perfect bowling game. 300 game is harder, but 300 games can be achieved more frequently. Not every hole is within distance to get a hole-in-one. On par 3s you have a chance at getting a hole-in-one.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Strikes and spares. A strike is when you knock down all 10 pins at your first attempt in a single frame. 2 strikes in a row are called a double, 3 strikes in a row are called a turkey, while 4 and 5 strikes in a row are called 4-5 baggers, and so on and so forth.
Take our lead.
25 years ago today, Glenn Allison bowled 3 consecutive 300 games, the first to record the feat in a sanctioned league. But the most startling statistic is the number of 300 games: 51,162 in 2004-05 and 56,212 in 2005-06.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.